our channel Out of Box Tutorial. So in this video we will clear more concepts for using for loops. We will be solving this problem statement, that is to print natural numbers in sequence. So we will be solving this problem statement using for loop. So let's get started. So to print natural numbers, we will be assigning integers for that. So let the integers be I, which will keep track for incrementations, and we will assign another integer n, that will be user defined integer, and it will ask a user to enter a natural number. So up to that natural number we will print our sequence. So we will ask output statement to enter a last natural number, so that will be n, and we will now assign our for loop. So how for loop works, so let's see that. So now for loop, so we will be initializing integer I to 1, as we want our natural numbers to be printed from 1. So we will initialize I to 1, and then we will terminate that statement, and next we want relations. So we will be defining relation between I and n. So the relation between I and n is that I will always be less than equal to n, and we will terminate this statement, and in every statement we want to increment I, so we will be using I plus plus, and enter. And now we will be initializing our for loop. So what we want, our output is nothing but the value of I, as in every case, in every step I will be incremented, and as we want our every output, hence we will be using endl. We know that endl is used for, see, when endl is used, it inserts a line and flushes the output. So in every step, endl will add another line. So in this way endl works, and let's run this. So enter the last natural number, so let's print numbers up to 10. So enter. So see, we get all natural numbers from 1 to 10. So in this way endl works. See, watch our previous videos for learning more about endl. So I have provided a link, so check that. So thanks for watching.